I want to bring in my guest and see what he thinks of these witnesses. Criminal defense attorney John Mobley is with us. He's standing by in Colombia, South Carolina. Hi there, John. Good to see you. What do you think of these last couple witnesses?
Well, I got to tell you, Julie, I got to call it like I see it. The officer was, I guess, sort of a no contest of both sides. Clearly, with regard to the officer, Johnny Depp's attorneys are trying to demonstrate that Amber Heard has a history of making false allegations of domestic abuse, calling law enforcement, making these allegations and claims, yet law enforcement will appear and respond, and either A, she's not cooperating, or B, they're not seeing any evidence of domestic violence, with the suggestion being that, or the inference being those are false allegations she's making. That's a great strategy and a great point. However, I will have to say the defense, her attorneys, did a great job on cross-examination by getting the officer to basically, or trying to paint the picture that the reason there's no evidence to support their claim of domestic violence is, number one, the officer didn't take the time to actually try to talk to Amber. Now, he'll say she didn't cooperate, but ultimately he did not actually interview her himself. He didn't interview the witnesses. And trying to rebut the claim of no evidence of domestic abuse from the standpoint of injuries is because he didn't really get a good look at her face. She was wearing makeup. You saw from the side, the lighting wasn't very good. So I believe both sides really did what they were supposed to do from the standpoint of how that witness was handled. This other witness, the former, I don't know if he was a concierge or a doorman, like you said, Julie, it's like trying to get blood from a turnip. You have a witness that clearly just does not want to be there, didn't want to cooperate.
Yeah, and I appreciate the analysis you gave on that officer's testimony, backing up a bit. I think the real key thing here is that he didn't see injuries. That's something that bodes very well for the Depp side of this case. Appreciate you calling it like you're seeing it, John Mobley. You're going to keep watching, and we're going to do the same. We're going to go back in now together.